In this video, I am going to show you how to create QR code for Google Form. Here is my basic Google Form. I will create QR code for this Google Form. Make sure your Google Form is published and then copy your Google Form link to clicking this link icon here and then click on this box for link shortener and then copy the link. Then go to canva.com. I will create QR code using Canva, totally free. You can create QR code using Canva free version. Click on create a design, then I will choose logo to create QR code. Click on that. Then in the left hand panel, scroll down and click on apps. Then in the search box, write QR code, hit enter. I will choose this one because it's very simple and easy to create QR code. Click on this one and paste your Google Form link here, then generate code. I will adjust this code and little bit bigger. I will make this one little bit bigger. Then I will download this code. To download this code, click on share, then click on download. You can choose JPG format or PNG format. I will choose PNG format for better quality. Then click on download. QR code download complete. I will open it. Now I will scan this QR code on mobile phone. Now I am in mobile screen. Open the camera and then scan the QR code. See, it's working. That's how we can create QR code using Canva for Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe our channel.